Alright, so if you're experiencing, symptoms of a bad windshield wiper, instead of going out and rushing out to get new windshield wipers, what you should do is you should clean your windshield wipers in your window. Often there's a lot of dirt and grime on these and it wears them out and they can still work, but we want to try cleaning it first, and if that does not solve the problem, we will go ahead and replace the windshield wipers. So what we're using is a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and what we're going to do is use a simple towel, and basically we'll get the windshield wipers up and we'll clean them, and then we'll go ahead and try them out and see if that has fixed any of the issues. If it has not, then we'll go ahead and just replace them with brand new ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go inside the car, and we are going to get these windshield wipers into the vertical position. To do that, we are going to go into the car. We are going to need to press the ignition on, and then off, and then you're going to take your windshield wiper and hold it up and let go. It should sweep twice and then stop in the middle. Now with the windshield wipers up, we are going to be able to actually lift them, otherwise they would hit the hood of the car. So now we can lift them up like so, and we can inspect them as well. What we're feeling for is any dirt, grime that would prevent it from sweeping and cleaning the windows properly. So we're going to get our isopropyl alcohol and just pour it on a towel, and then clean the blade. You can see how dirty it is. Do it on the other one. See how dirty that is as well. Alright, now we're going to put the blades back down, and then we're going to test it out in the car and see if it still exhibits any issues of a worn windshield wiper. Okay, we're inside the car. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to hold the windshield wiper up again, and then it should go back down. We're going to just pull to use our sprayers. You can see it's still streaking, so we're going to go ahead and change out these windshield wipers. We're going to turn the car off, hold the windshield wiper stock up, let go. Alright, so what we have here is some cheap eBay windshield wipers that I got for about 30 bucks, I think. I'll put a link in the description below. So we'll go ahead and swap out these blades.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, so to remove the windshield wiper, there's going to be two clips on both sides, and you're going to pinch in and rotate the entire windshield wiper up and out. It hinges around this pivot point. So you're going to grab your new windshield wiper and go ahead and just pinch it into there, and it should lock into place. Same thing for this side. There's going to be two clips on both sides. Pinch in and just rotate up and out. got the new one. Make sure you put it into that pivot point and then rotate it down after you pinch it, and it should lock into place. In the car with the new blades on. I broke that one, but this one I got in, I messed up the install. I did not rock it in. So make sure you do that right. So let's try this out. And there is no streaking at all. So that is very nice. Very, very nice. Very good. So cheap eBay blades, replacing the stock ones. Thumbs up.